to Know by Linda Crota-Brennan. Introduction to Maps. Where are you right now? Where do you want to go next? A map can help you get there. A map is a drawing of what an area looks like from above. Maps use lines, colors, and pictures to tell you about a place. Fact: a stone tablet in northern Spain may be the world's oldest map. Scientists think it is about 14,000 years old. Types of maps. You couldn't use a map of Earth to find your way around school. To get where you need to go, you must have the right map. Some maps show the whole world or an entire country. But what if you want to find the local hospital? For that, you need a map of your city or town. Fact: most city maps include symbols showing where important places such as hospitals and police stations are. World map. A map's title tells you what it is about. This map shows all the countries of the world. Can you find the country you live in? There are many types of maps. Political maps show countries. Road maps show roads and cities. Historical maps show what places looked like long ago. There are also maps of the sea and the stars. Fact: the maps that pilots and sailors use are called charts. Sea chart, star chart, political map, road map, historical map. Parts of a map. Maps use colors and symbols to give information. A map's key tells you what its colors and symbols mean. On most maps, blue means water. Some maps show elevation. Brown means highlands. Yellow and orange stand for middle lands. Green means lowlands. Key: a list or chart that explains the colors and symbols on a map. Elevation: the height of the land above sea level. Map of Germany. Which city is the capital of Germany? Name a river in Germany. Key: river. City: capital city. Germany: capital city, Berlin. Rivers: Rhine, Danube, Elbe. Most maps have compass roses. A compass rose is a circle with arrows that split it into 4 equal parts. The arrows point in the directions north, east, south, and west. Fact: you can use a compass to figure out the direction you need to travel. A compass has a magnetic needle that always points north. Compass rose: a label that shows the directions north, east, south, and west on a map. Compass: an instrument used for finding directions. Key: entrance, fountain, bathrooms. Food: monkeys, rhinos, horses, camels, birds, turtles, hippos, lions, tigers, cheetahs, flamingos, snakes. Search: you are at the zoo by the lions. You want to see the monkeys. Should you go north, east, south, or west? Maps are smaller than the places they show. The map's scale tells you how much smaller the map is than real life. Some maps have grids to help you find a place. Grids are evenly spaced lines that run up and down and side to side. Scale. A label on the map that compares the distances on a map and the actual distances on Earth. Grid. A pattern of evenly spaced or parallel lines that cross. On this map, each inch in the grid equals 500 miles. Measure the inches between Alice Springs and McKay. How many miles are there between the two towns? McKay is in section 6C. In what section of the grid is Alice Springs? Australia. Maps of the world. Most maps are flat. It makes them easy to fold up and carry. But the world is shaped like a ball. To make a world map flat, countries are shown stretched and pulled out of shape. A globe is a map that shows Earth's round shape. It gives a more true picture of Earth. Fact: there are 7 continents on Earth: Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. Globe. A round model of the world. Continent. One of the 7 large land masses of Earth. A globe has special lines. Those that run up and down are lines of longitude. Those that run sideways are lines of latitude. The line around the center of the globe is called the equator. The point at the top of the globe is the North Pole. The point at the bottom is the South Pole. Longitude. The position of a place measured in degrees east or west of an imaginary line that runs through Greenwich, England. Latitude. The position of a place measured in degrees north or south of the equator. Equator. An imaginary line around the middle of Earth. It divides the northern and southern hemispheres. North Pole. Latitude lines. Equator. Longitude lines. South Pole. Try to find it. Maps can help you find your way on land, at sea, or even in space. So grab a map and explore. Earth has 4 oceans. They are the Arctic, Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. Can you find the Atlantic Ocean on this world map? Australia is east of the Indian Ocean. Can you find both on this map? On what continent is Mount Everest? Answer: Mount Everest is in Asia. World map. Key: water.